Credit Saint Credit Score Tool Review Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the Credit Saint Credit Score Tool. As always, you can find links to the product in the description below. Let's dive straight into the features, who it's best suited for, and why it might be worth your attention. Credit Saint is primarily known for its credit repair services, but their credit score tool complements these efforts by offering users a comprehensive way to track their credit progress. With access to your credit score and detailed report analysis, this tool empowers you to stay informed about the factors affecting your credit. It highlights key areas such as payment history, credit utilization, and hard inquiries, offering a clear breakdown of what's helping or hurting your score. A standout feature of the Credit Saint tool is its direct integration with their credit repair services. If you're enrolled in one of their plans, you can monitor the disputes and actions being taken on your behalf. The tool shows real-time updates on dispute progress and tracks the impact these changes have on your credit score. This synergy ensures you're always in the loop, making it an excellent choice for users actively working on cleaning up their credit. For individuals not yet enrolled in Credit Saint's services, the tool still offers valuable insights with credit education tips and strategies to help you improve your financial health. Whether you're new to credit repair or simply looking for a reliable monitoring system, this tool caters to various needs, from beginners to those with more complex credit situations. The Credit Saint Credit Score tool is best suited for those who want to combine professional credit repair services with hands-on monitoring. It's particularly helpful if you're trying to recover from issues like collections, charge-offs, or high credit utilization. It ensures you're not just passively waiting for results, but actively staying informed and involved. In summary, the Credit Saint Credit Score tool is a robust companion for anyone serious about taking control of their credit journey. Its seamless integration with credit repair services and detailed insights make it a valuable asset. If you're ready to take the next step in improving your credit, check out the links in the description.